Hey, what's up guys, what is going on YouTube? This is Vike Studio. In this tutorial I want to show you how I made this children poster design in COREL. So in a couple of minutes I'll be showing you how to do this particular design in COREL. So without any much further ado, let's dive into the video while I show you this. So the first thing you would like to do here is to hit on Ctrl N to have your new page canvas for your design. Then you hit on OK. We'll be using 6 by 6 inches here, RGB color mode, and then we hit on OK. Then we have our workspace here. So the next thing you are going to do is go over to your toolbar, double click on your rectangle to give your working space this rectangle here. Just double click there and then you have this. So the next thing we're going to do is hit on G on your keyboard and then you hold on shift while you drag something like this. Okay, so this black part you are going to click here and then hit on the color, and we are going to give this blue. Okay, this blue, and then go over to this white part, hit on this, and then we'll give this blue color. So we'll give something like this. Okay, so we go over to our property bar here, hit on this elliptical fountain fill. Okay, so that we have something like this. Okay, so once you are done with this, the next thing what we are going to do is I'm going to bring in a background here. I'm going to bring in a background. So okay, so I'll bring this background to my workspace. Alright, so I'll clip this background into my workspace. So I right click down on the background, then move to this place and then power clip. Okay, the background inside this your power clip, and then you go over and pick up your transparency tool, and then you change the blend merge mode to hard light. Now let's try soft light. Okay, let's see overlay. Alright, I think overlay will be best for us to use. Okay, overlay is the best for us to use. So I'm going to do this to just blend it a little, and the transparency should be around 46. Okay, so once we are done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll be bringing the image of the little boy. So the resources of this thing I'm using here will be linked down below for you, so you can download it and then try your own design. Okay, so I hit on my shift to at least reduce this, and then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up my text tool and then I'll type this. First of all, I'll first type D here like this. So the name of the font I'll be using for this D is Beber's New. I don't know how to pronounce that. Alright, so I'll be using this font. So this is it. So I'll bring it on the design, but first I'll power clip this little boy in this our workspace. Okay, power clip. Then I'll have to do something like this, increase a little. I think I'm okay. So I'll make this. Actually, I'm going to power clip this particular text, but for now let's be working on this like this. So I'll hit on the text so that this arrow sign will change. Like this is a normal node for this. So once you click again, this arrows will now be displayed. So go over to this area and then you take this a little a little, something like this. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing here is we are going to copy this particular text here. So you copy here, you just right click down and then you drag up so that you copy. So reduce the size, and we'll be typing something like this, children's. Then we'll have to reduce this. Okay, let's increase a little. Right, so do the same, copy that here, and then we will have happy. So this size will be small. So let me give it a few so that you can see what is happening. So we give that one white, give this one white, give this one white. Okay, so this happy, we are going to track that. So go over to your toolbar, hit on your shape tool, and then you just track it this way. Okay, so on this test day we are going to do something here. So I'll pick up my rectangle, draw a little rectangle here like this. So I'll place the rectangle around this side. Let me adjust the rectangle a little around this side. So I'll hold on my shift key and then hit on the day, and then go over to your property bar here. You're going to see trim, then we trim this. Okay, so I can delete off that rectangle now. So we have something like this. Okay, so what I'm going to type in there is let your dream. So I have this. So it will be the same font I'll be using for this. So this is it. So let me zoom so that I can see. I think I'll track this a little. So I'll give this white again. Okay, so the children, let's see, we fill this with yellow. Alright, so we are going to fill them to yellow. So select on all these tests, then Ctrl G to group, and then we can reduce something like this here. So I think I should power clip this text. So drag, right click and drag on this and then power clip. So hold on your alt to select those tests, then we have something like this. So I want to take this text to the back of this little boy. So control page down, then it's at the back right now. So we have something like this. So we have something like this now. And now for the day, we are going to draw. Guys, I want to put the date around here. So we are going to pick up our rectangle, and then I draw something like this, and then I pick up my text tool, then type 27th May. Okay, I'll be using the same font still. So I'll be breaking this text. So Ctrl K to break the text. Click on May, and then adjust this, then transform this a little, and then select everything, Ctrl G to group, and then you're going to bring this into that rectangle we've drawn. So the outline which I'm going to give the rectangle is one, let's use 2 points. So don't forget to leave your questions down below. If there's any part confusing you, you can drop your comment down below. So I'll select everything, Ctrl G, and then bring it to this area, then move. And this, if this is your first time watching my videos, kindly hit the subscription button and then give a like to this video. So I'll be ungrouping them. So hit on the rectangle. We are going to fill that with a white outline, then the text white also. So we have something like this. Okay, I think I'll reduce the width, outline width for this. Let's use 1.5, let's see, or let's use 1 for the outline width, and we are good to go. So don't forget to keep saving your work in case. So what's the next thing I'm going to do? I'm going to hold my Alt, select what's inside my power clip, this little boy here. So Control B, let us just give some brightness and some contrast to this little boy. So just add a little brightness, add some contrast, add a little intensity, and we hit OK. Okay, so now we are good to go. The final thing we are going to do is just to add some lines around here. Okay, so we'll be drawing some lines. So we'll be using our tool called pen tool for this. So go over to your toolbar, then we pick our pen tool. I hope you should know where your pen tool is located, so pick up my pen tool. So I draw my line like this, and let me just draw. You can just draw any line at all. I just want to play around some things here, so I can stop it here. So I will give my outline width, let's use 3. Okay, so 3. So I'm going to give the outline white around here. So I will right click down and then move on this to power clip here. So after you are done power clipping that, you have to hold on your Alt to select that particular line we've drawn. So you have to copy that. So just drag and then copy that to this down part, copy here, and then go over to your property bar, then mirror horizontally, or let's use vertically. And so we have something like this. So I can have something like this. I will give the outline yellow, so I just have something like this. Okay, so what is left, and boom, our design is set. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, guys, and if this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe, guys, and then like this video to encourage me to keep on making more videos about design. I am Victor. I'm from Vice Studio. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.